Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread French toast. It's banana bread that's made into French toast. It is delicious. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, you're going to need banana bread. I'm using my homemade chocolate chip banana bread, and I'll link to the video showing how to make it in the description box. I made 1.5 times the recipe so it can be filled close to the top of the pan. That means it will need to bake for longer too, about 1.5 hours. And it's best if it's a day old because it absorbs the custard better and so it doesn't come out soggy. Once it's made, cut it into 8 to 10 slices. And set it aside for now. To make the French toast custard, in a large bowl, add in the eggs. Lightly beat them with a whisk. Then add in the milk, salt, and vanilla extract, which is optional. And whisk them until they're well combined. Then to cook it, heat a griddle or a skillet on the stove over medium heat until it's hot. Once the pan is hot, coat it in butter. Dip the banana bread slices into the custard. Let it soak for a few seconds on each side. Place it onto the pan. Add enough slices to fill the pan. Then cook them for a few minutes until they're golden brown on the bottom. Once they're golden, flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Then remove them from the pan and transfer them to a cooling rack. Then keep going for the rest. And serve them while they're still warm. And that's how to make banana bread French toast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.